how to make new account on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can make a new account on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to make a new TikTok account, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch the TikTok application here. Once you launch the TikTok app, by default you're going to see this type of interface if you have never opened it up. Now what you want to do is simply make sure to come to the profile page by tapping the profile icon, and then here you can see it says sign up for TikTok. Now if you have not yet created an account, you can create one using your Facebook, Google, Twitter, or if you're on iPhone, even using your Apple ID. Otherwise you can just tap the use phone or email option and then just try to enter an email address that you want to associate with your TikTok ID here. Once you enter the email address that you want to use for your TikTok account, just hit the next option and it'll ask you to simply choose your password if you've already signed up. But if not, then it'll ask you to simply go ahead and verify the link and then send the password. Then once done, your account will be successfully created on TikTok. But if you've already created it, then you can come back, tap the login option from the bottom, log in using your phone or email, and then you should be able to go ahead and log in successfully. So this way you can create a new account on TikTok. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.